Today's quick tip: why is my stuff moving or not, as the case may be? So I got this really nice model, and we're going to use this for our example today. I want to pull it apart to look at it, and I'm pulling on it and I'm pulling on it, but it's not pulling. Why? Jonatron made it that way. Thanks, bro. Timeline shows a couple rigid connections right down there. You can see them. If we get rid of them, you can start pulling them apart just like this. This is the way to do it. The better way to do this is take a logical part and ground it. Do this and you'll see a push pin on the left side and one down in the timeline as well. Selecting all the parts and making them a rigid group does work, but it makes me cry because there is no functionality included in this assembly. Better to use the joints to make a functional assembly. You knew it was coming, didn't you? So I've grounded this part, but I can still pull it apart. What's up? I can see that it's grounded. It's clearly grounded. This is because the assembly is grounded, but not the parts inside of that subassembly. Keep in mind that this can happen for other things too. Sometimes you'll be wanting to select a part, but you might be selecting bodies or sketches or something like that. So the similar things can happen. If things are moving that you don't expect, check this out. I make quick tips on the road. I do hope they're useful for you.